Hello, 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 amazing English learners. Welcome back to Lish, your favorite podcast for mastering English in the most enjoyable way.
That's right, Rayan. It's wonderful to have you all tuning in. I'm Sarah, and next to me is the one and only.
I'm Ryan, and we are absolutely thrilled to bring you another fantastic English lesson, packed with practical tips and real-life examples.
Before we dive into today's exciting topic, please take a moment to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the Talklish channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating these helpful lessons.
And don't forget to drop a comment below. Tell us which simple conversation you find most useful or what other topics you want us to cover. We love your feedback.
Absolutely. So, Ryan, today's topic is all about making those everyday interactions simple and easy. We're going to help our listeners master simple conversations in daily life, beginner speaking practice.
Yes, this is super important for A1 and A2 learners. We know you want to speak English right away, in real situations. So today, we'll break down common daily scenarios into very simple, easy-to-use conversations. You can listen, repeat, and start speaking immediately.
Exactly. We'll give you clear examples of what to say and what to expect in different situations. Think of it as a toolkit for your daily English needs. We're going to cover a few different situations, and then we'll give you some useful phrases from each. Ryan, where should we start our conversational journey today?
Let's start where many people begin their day or their errands, at the supermarket. We often need to ask for help or find things.
Perfect. Here's a simple conversation you might have at the supermarket. Conversation 1. At the supermarket. Excuse me,
Yes, can I help you?
where is the milk?
It's in aisle 3.
Aisle 3. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, do you have apples?
Yes, we do.
Where are they?
In the fruit section.
Thanks.
No problem.
How much is this?
It's $2.50.
$2.50. Okay.
Do you need anything else?
No, thank you.
Great example, Sarah. Our listeners can already imagine these situations. In these small conversations, we see some key simple phrases.
Yes, for asking for help. Excuse me. Very polite way to get attention. Can I help you? Assistant asks you. Can you help me? You can ask the assistant. Where is? For asking location, like where is the milk? How much is this? For asking price.
And for replying, yes, I do, or no, I don't. It's in aisle 3, or it's in the fruit section. Thank you, or thanks. You're welcome, or no problem. Okay.
These phrases are A1 level, very basic and useful. You can use them right away. Now, Ryan, what's another common daily situation where our listeners can practice simple conversations?
Let's go to the coffee shop, Sarah. Most people visit a coffee shop. It's a great place for simple interactions.
It definitely is. Here are a few simple conversations you might have at a coffee shop. Conversation 2. At the coffee shop. Barista. Hi, what can I get you? You. I'll have a coffee. Barista. Hot or iced? You. Hot, please. Barista. What size? You. Medium. Barista. Anything else? You. No, That's all. Barista. That will be $3. You. Here you go. Barista. Thank you. You. You're welcome. You. Excuse me. Barista. Yes. You. Where is the sugar? Barista. It's over there, by the milk. You. Thanks.
Again, very clear and simple. Listeners, you can use these sentences today. What are the key phrases here, Sarah?
Okay, for ordering. What can I get you? Barista asks you. I'll have a coffee. You order. Hot or iced? Barista asks. Hot, please. Iced, please. You reply. What size? Barista asks. Medium. Small. Large. You reply. Anything else? No, that's all.
And for paying, that will be $3. Barista tells price. Here you go, when you give money or card. Thank you. You're welcome.
These are fantastic for basic interactions. You just need to know a few words for drinks, like coffee, tea, latte, and water.
Perfect. So, we've covered buying groceries and ordering coffee. How about when you need to find somewhere? Asking for directions.
Oh, yes, a very common situation, especially when traveling or in a new city. Here's how a simple conversation for directions might go. Conversation 3. Asking for directions. You. Excuse me. Person. Yes. Can I help? You. Where is the train station? Person. Go straight. You. Straight? Person. Yes. Then turn left. You. Left? Person. Yes, the station is there. You. Thank you. Person. You're welcome. You. Hi, is this Main Street? Person. No, it's not. You. Oh, where is Main Street? Person. Go that way. Points. You. That way? Person. Yes, it's 2 blocks. You. Thanks.
Ryan, very helpful. Short sentences, clear directions. What are the key phrases our listeners should remember here, Sarah?
Okay. For asking, excuse me. Hi. Where is? Always good for location. Is this? For confirming a street or place. Like, is this Main Street?
Ryan. And for giving directions, go straight, turn left, or turn right, it's there, or it's 2 blocks. Go that way with a gesture pointing. Yes, no, it's not.
And always remember, thank you, and you're welcome. Politeness goes a long way.
Exactly. Now, let's think about meeting someone new, making a new friend, or just saying hello to a neighbor. Simple introductions.
This is great for building confidence. Here's a simple conversation for meeting someone new. Conversation 4. Meeting someone new. You. Hi. Person. Hello. You. My name is your name. Person. Nice to meet you. I'm their name. You. Nice to meet you too. Person. How are you? You. I'm good, thanks. You. Person. I'm fine, thanks. You. Hello, are you new here? Person. Yes, I am. You. Welcome. I live here. Person. Oh, nice. You. My name is your name. Person. Hi, your name. I'm their name.
Fantastic. These are the building blocks of friendship.
What are the key phrases here, Sarah?
For introductions, hi, hello, my name is, I'm, nice to meet you, said by both people.
Ryan. And for checking in, how are you? I'm good, thanks. Or I'm fine, thanks. You? Short for how are you?
These short sentences and questions are perfect. They show you are friendly and want to talk.
Okay, so we've met someone new. What about talking on the phone? It can be tricky, but we can make it simple.
Yes, a very practical skill. Let's imagine a simple phone call, perhaps confirming plans. Conversation 5. Simple phone call.
Hello?
Hi, it's,
Oh, hi.
how are you?
I'm good. Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to meet for coffee?
Yes, that sounds good.
What time?
10 a.m.?
Okay. See you then.
Great. Bye.
Bye. Hello?
Is,
No, she's not.
oh, okay. Can I leave a message?
Yes, you can.
Please tell her to call.
Okay. I will.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Phone calls can be hard, but these simple phrases make it much easier. What should our listeners remember for the phone, Sarah?
For answering the phone, hello? Hi, it's your name when you call someone.
For making plans. Are you free tomorrow? Do you want to meet for coffee? Yes, that sounds good. What time? See you then.
And for messages, is,
No, she's not.
can I leave a message?
Please tell her to call. I will. These are very common. Practice them often. Now, let's think about shopping, but not for food, buying clothes.
A fun one. We all go shopping for clothes. Here's a simple conversation at a clothing store. Conversation 6. Buying clothes. Excuse me?
Yes? Can I help you?
I'm looking for a shirt.
What size do you need?
Medium.
What color?
Blue, please?
Here's one.
Can I try it on?
Yes, changing rooms are over there.
How much is this shirt?
It's $20.
$20. Okay.
Do you want it?
Yes, please.
Cash or card?
Card.
Thank you. This conversation is so practical. What are the essential phrases here, Sarah?
For asking about clothes, I'm looking for, like, a shirt. What size do you need? Medium. What color? Blue, please. Can I try it on? Changing rooms are over there.
And for buying, how much is this? It's $20. Do you want it? Yes, please. Cash or card?
Very straightforward. Just remember the clothes words. Shirt, pants, dress, shoes.
Perfect. So we've covered many everyday interactions: supermarket, coffee shop, directions, meeting people, phone calls, and shopping for clothes. These are all simple conversations for beginners.
Yes, and the key is to keep your sentences short and direct, just like in our examples. Don't try to say too much. Use the words you know.
Exactly. Now, for our listeners, how can they master these simple conversations, Sarah?
First, listen to this podcast again and again. Repetition is key. Listen to the situations and the phrases.
Second, repeat after us. Pause the podcast and say the sentences out loud. Copy our pronunciation.
Third, practice in your head or in front of a mirror. Imagine you're at the supermarket. What do you say? What does the assistant say?
Fourth, try to use one new phrase every day. Maybe today you use "where is" at the store. Tomorrow you use "how are you" with a friend.
Fifth, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to speak. People will understand you, and that's what matters.
That's so true, Sarah. Confidence comes from trying. These simple conversations are your first step to speaking English fluently and naturally in your daily life.
We hope this lesson on mastering simple conversations has given you some great tools and confidence to start speaking English today.
Yes, we hope you feel ready to use these simple phrases in your daily life. From ordering a coffee to asking for directions, you can do it.
Thank you so much for joining us on Talklish. We truly appreciate your dedication to learning.
Don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to our channel for more amazing English lessons, and leave us a comment below. Tell us which simple conversation you'll try first.
We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep practicing your English, keep speaking, and we'll see you very soon on Talklish.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye.